Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find someone who is on Monopoly Go. To do so, you first need to launch your game on your device. Once you've launched your game, go ahead and first add your Facebook account to your Monopoly Go. You can do so by clicking on this three lines on the top right side of your screen, and then clicking on settings, and then go to manage accounts. As you can see, I've already connected my Facebook, so it says disconnect right now. If you haven't, there will be a connect button right here. Click on it and connect your Facebook account. Once you've connected your Facebook account, all your friends who are on Monopoly Go, that are playing Monopoly Go, will be added to your friends list automatically. You can check your friends list by clicking on the friends on the bottom right side of your screen, like so. I'm clicking on leaderboard. So here are all the friends that have been added automatically from my Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming.